Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this get ready amazed cause thsi changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was NGL a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works exactly as advertised, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need thsi in your life is because it works better than anything else in the market. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade right this second. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this get ready amazed cause thsi changes